Two-stroke engines are still being used today, for example in go-karts, as they are lighter and more cost-effective than four-stroke engines. We will explain a two-stroke engine with a simple carburetor. The construction is similar to four-stroke engines. The two-stroke engine has one piston. The crankcase is used for the gas exchange. There are also a spark plug as well as intake and exhaust ports. A crucial difference is the presence of the transfer port. Let's take a closer look at the individual strokes. In the first stroke cycle, a fresh fuel-air mixture is drawn in via the intake port. It is shown here in red. It is added to the existing mixture in the crankcase. At the same time, the mixture is compressed in the combustion chamber and finally ignited by the spark plug. The second cycle starts. The hot air expands and presses the piston downwards, reducing the volume of the crankcase. Because of that, the mixture is forced into the combustion chamber. At the same time, the fresh mixture forces the exhaust fumes out. Now the cycle starts all over again. The volume reduction in the crankcase can be very easily explained using small spheres. The spheres represent the fresh mixture. The mixture is sucked into the crankcase through the piston moving upwards. When the piston then moves downwards, no additional fresh mixture flows in and compression takes place because the volume of the crankcase is decreased. As a result, the fresh mixture makes its way into the combustion chamber via the transfer port. The engine shown here operates according to the principle of cross-flow scavenging. Intake and exhaust port are on opposite sides. The deflector piston is formed in such a way that the incoming fresh mixture can successfully push out the exhaust fumes.